everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm here today to share my completed nature notes journal. Now if you're new here, please do hit the subscribe button. I really would be ever so grateful. I'm trying really hard to get to 50,000. And if you're returning, thank you for the support. This is my journal for the month of April. I make a journal every month. Everyone is different. Each one uses a completely different collection. This is the nature notes. I'd just like to quickly say I've also made a folio using the same paper. It's stunning. So if you take a look through my video history, you will see it. All of the different journals that I make every month are on a playlist called Journaling J.O.Y monthly journals. Heaps of inspiration on there. So here's my completed journal. My desk's a hot mess. My craft room's trashed, but we've finished. So we made it out of chipboard. If you watched my tutorials, I was worried that this was going to flop down. It does not. Once the journal is complete, you've got your pages and your ephemera in, this bit doesn't flop. It fits perfect. So my intuition was correct. So we've got this lovely Midori style binding. I've just done a small wrap with the words April monthly. As I say, I make one every month and each one has a dedicated, obviously, month type theme or wording, whatever. Okay, so yeah, so it's made out of chipboard. It is a little bit flexible that way because I use fabric tape, okay, because it's super sturdy and it ensures that all of these spines will not crack. So I've decorated it pretty simply on the cover. We've got this lovely metal closure, okay, and it opens like so and like so. So in the front part, we've got a stacked pocket. Oops, that needs gluing back down. With a lovely journaling card. I'll glue that back down in a minute. And the words April and showers. Okay, because that's on the digital papers. April and showers. If you're interested in the papers, the link for my Ko-fi is in the description below. But you can just take inspiration from this and use whatever papers you like. Okay, you don't have to support me with purchasing. Watching and subscribing is reward enough, so thank you. So here we go. Now I keep the monthly journals pretty simple because the idea of them is that we turn them over super quick and we have them without bulky items in so that we can journal in them. Okay, so here's one of the beautiful papers and you can see we've got lots of lines for writing. I've just added some lace trim and I've added those on all of the pages that I've got the main digital prints on. The plain ones I haven't. So here's a monthly planner. I add planner pages into the collection for those that want them because obviously they're a monthly journal. So the idea is, you know, that you write in them, add your memories to them, gratitude journal, prayer journal, travel journal, whatever. So we've got lots and lots of spaces to tuck your memories and to write or doodle or whatever you like to do. It's a very mindful practice if you get into the habit of journaling. I'm waiting until all my series of 12 are completed. Then I will start writing in them. Next year I'll have a journal for every month because I will have completed 12. So there's one of the main digital collages. Again with some pretty lace. I did some paper doilies in the ephemera collection. So I fussy cut mine out and double-sided them and stuck them in. Oh, that one's a bit stuck on there. There's another collage sheet there. Here's the ephemera double pocket that I did a tutorial on this yesterday. If you want to look how that's made. It's got all of these lovely little elements, but they're all nice and flat. So they won't get in our way when we come to writing. Loads of tuck spots and pockets in there. And we can lift that out and write on there. More writing space. One of the tickets I've just added in. So lots and lots of room. You could, as you're journaling, you could doodle, you could stencil, you can add other bits in as you go. Okay. Beautiful papers. Envelopes. So in the collection, I gave people a template. So you print the template out, then you flip it upside down, print your paper on the back, and you can cut it out. And it gives you this lovely deep envelope. Okay. And I did print it double-sided as well. Okay, so there's quite a few of those, and then a little card from the ephemera page just clipped on there like so, so they can be easily removed, as I say, for writing. Then I gave this triple butterfly in the embellishments, and what I did with mine was, in the first instance, I layered them and then I sewed through the middle with my sewing machine. I was going to just tuck them in the middle of the signatures, but my elastic was a bit bulky, so I've glued the back one to one page, one to the other, so you've got this like 3D butterfly. It's super lovely. Okay, there's your monthly spread layout if you want it. Okay, nice and large, no date specific, no year specific, so you can use it over and over again. So if you build up the collection of these digitals that I do every month, you can use them year in and year out. Okay, or print more than one, whatever. Beautiful. Again, another envelope, and we've got grid papers, line papers, planner pages, pretty pages, digital pages. You get everything. Coloured pages, ephemera pages. And there's the back of one of the little pockets, and some photo mats. Love that. Just nice and simple, and letting the papers do the work. Another bag to add memories in. This is part of my coffee dyed papers collection, pretty papers collection, which is available. So I use these all of the time. They're not in the Nature Notes collection, but everything else is. So here in the middle section, I added some extra planner pages this month. So I've printed that on cardstock, and then I've done this lovely layout on the front. Okay, super pretty, and it obviously, because we've done the Midori style binding, you can remove them. And this has the monthly planner page at a glance. Okay, then each week when you open it up, you've got the full week. Okay, so you've got enough for the full month. If you so desire, you can completely and utterly do away with the planner pages if you don't want them, but because I'm doing a journal every month, I just thought it'd be nice, so we have them. More decorative pages, another monthly one but in a smaller portrait. Beautiful papers again, and this lovely lace. Just make sure it's not all glued together. Just lots and lots of different, slightly decorative, but still giving you lots of room to doodle or draw or write or whatever you like to do. You could art journal in them, you could do what you like. There's another one of the pockets there that I made. That's an angled one. I did an extra tuck spot there at the back with some, just fussy cut that from one of the scraps of the paper. Love them, absolutely love all of them. I love every single journal, and every month when I make one, it's my favourite. Don't know why that's in there, we're not using it. And then here we can see we've got another butterfly. Lovely little decorative element, but still got lots of play around the edge so we can write. We've bound them with elastic so we can add and remove, so you can add extra pages in, or if you decide you want to take some out, you can take some out. You can add your, paperwork in there, or you could add birthday cards or whatever you like to do with your month of April. You don't even have to do it in an April thing, to do with April. You can just do it in a nature theme. And then here's just the back of one of those tickets. I just used one of the shapes from the ephemera collection and added a tag there. So as I say, I've just kept it really simple, and it means that you can make your journals quick and easy to make. It's only taken me a couple of days to do this. It's taken me 1 day to decorate it because I've kept it simple, and a day to make the cover. So they're fast and easy to make. We don't have to spend forever doing our journals, losing our mojo halfway through and never completing anything. Okay, then at the back here, I just need to do a closure on there. We've got a large pocket, and in here I've got, I need to layer that, a 5x7 photo mat and just a spare tag. So you could stick whatever you liked in there. Okay, I don't know whether I'm going to add a magnet yet or a policy closure. I've not decided. And then all of these hinges are all lovely and sturdy, and that has given us a lovely, lovely, lovely journal, which then wraps around and I've closed mine with a metal closure. In the some of the tutorials, I've given you lots of different ways of making closures. I explained different ways you could make it. And then on here, I've just made this little April, like a dog tag type dangle there. So there you go. I hope you like it. Don't forget to check out the folio as well, the folio video, because this is another way of using those beautiful papers. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that. I need to get on with Maze now and get that digital collection ready for my Ko-fi subscribers. Hopefully they're excited to see what the next collection that they're going to get is. And I don't know, because I've not fully decided yet. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you can get some inspiration from it. Don't forget to check out the Journaling J.O.Y monthly journals playlist. Hit the subscribe button and follow along with the videos and tutorials. I cannot promise to always do my best to bring you lots of lovely inspiration. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and I'll see you soon. Bye.